we'll talk about Article 336 of the Revised Penal Code, Acts of Lasciviousness. So what is this crime of acts of lasciviousness and how is it committed? Article 336 of the Revised Penal Code provides that any person who shall commit any act of lasciviousness upon other persons of either sex under any of the circumstances of rape shall be punished by prisión correccional. Now, according to the Supreme Court, the following are the elements of the crime. First, that the offender commits an act of lasciviousness or lewdness. Second, that it is done by force or intimidation or against a person who is under 12 years of age. And third, that the offended party is another person of either sex. So ano ba tong mga elements or conditions? So according to several decisions of the Supreme Court, the following have been deemed acts of lasciviousness. Una, ang paghihipo sa mga masiselang parte ng katawan. Pangalawa, ang paghalik sa labi na may malisya. Pangatlo, ang pagyakap na may halong malisya. Apat, ang pagkiskis ng maselang parte ng katawan ng isang tao sa maselang parte ng katawan ng ibang tao. The actor must be motivated by sexual or prurient desires, not just some feeling of affection or love. Kaya ang yakap o ang beso sa pagitan ng mga magkakaibigan at magkamag-anak ay hindi acts of lasciviousness because of the absence of some sexual or lascivious desire. So next is that dapat ang panghihipo o ang paghalik ay labag sa kalooban ng biktima. It must have been done with force, intimidation, and against the will of the victim. At saka pag ang biktima ay mas mababa sa 12 years of age, hindi mahalaga na pumayag yung bata. Because a minor below 12 years of age is deemed incapable of giving consent to sex. Ang pangatlong element o condition ay pwedeng parehong lalaki at babae ang may sala sa acts of lasciviousness. Ang biktima ay pwede ding lalaki o babae. Hindi ito limitado sa mga babae lamang. Kaya ang isang lalaki na hinipuan ng kapwa lalaki sa LRT o sa bus ay pwedeng magreklamo ng acts of lasciviousness. Okay, one more thing. If the act lacks the element of lewdness, ibig sabihin kung wala namang intensyon na manghalay o mambastos in a sexual way, then the crime will just fall under unjust vexation. Halimbawa, sa isang party, nagkaasaran ang magkakaibigan. Hinipuan at kiniliti ni girl si guy na pinagdududahan na bading. Yung ginawa ni girl ay hindi act of lasciviousness dahil wala namang mahalay na balak. Iyon ay unjust vexation dahil nga nakakairita nga naman si girl. So ano ba ang kaparusahan ng acts of lasciviousness? The penalty of prisión correccional shall be imposed for those who commit acts of lasciviousness. And the duration of prisión correccional is from 6 months and 1 day to 6 years. So, if you're aroused and can't help it, just turn away. Take a deep breath and just count 1 to 10. That feeling will be gone sooner than you think. But if you are a victim, sex crimes are no joke. So report to the police and